breath stank.
So get your gun.
Walk away.
Get your gun and find out what can happen.
Your breath stank.
Get your gun and find out what can happen.
Your breath stank.
Okay, you heard what the I said.
Your breath stank.
You heard what the I said.
You heard the I said.
You heard what
I said. Get your breath out my face.
Go get your gun and see what happens.
breath out my face.
Go get your gun and see what can happen.
breath out my face.
You're not gonna
go brush your teeth.
Stupid ass.
On January 1st, 2024, a Florida officer initiated a traffic stop on a white vehicle near a Publix supermarket. The reason? A. Malfunctioning running light. A violation under Florida statute section 316.217. The officer requested the driver show both hands standard safety protocol. The driver, Garrison, said his license was on his phone and raised a prior accident in Jacksonville that left his partner injured. The passenger explained the light was damaged in the Jacksonville accident. The officer empathized, but noted the matter fell under the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office entirely outside his jurisdiction.
Quebec 9, it's going to be a white vehicle of some sort. See if the cobblestone plaza. What's up, man?
Good.
Yeah, your running light is out on your left side.
Yeah, we already know that we was here in a hit-and-run accident in Jacksonville. We waited for the fight.
Come in, let me see your other hand. Let me see your other hand up. All right. You got your driver's license on you? You don't have one?
Yeah, my phone.
Go ahead and send me 10%. So you don't have a license at all?
No, we have a license. We don't have a physical copy.
Can you send me 1069 code 1, please?
So what did you stop us for?
I was talking to you.
What's that? I'm listening to the radio, buddy.
What did you stop us for?
Okay. Your running light, your left side running light is not on. Okay, it's not on.
Because the hit-and-run accident.
Okay, it's still a traffic violation. Needs to be fixed.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have a driver's license?
I got a question for you.
What's that?
My question is, the people hit me in the back.
Okay.
I went to the hospital.
Okay.
Why didn't they not fight the people? Make sure I got my justice.
I don't know, sir. I mean, you said this happened up in Jacksonville?
Yes, no,
You need to talk to JSO.
Cause I'm hit. I cannot work, nothing.
Okay. Did you get a crash report done?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. All right.
All the cameras out there, but they can't find nobody with all the cameras up and down there.
Okay, I don't know, ma'am. I don't know that area at all. I'm sorry. I honestly, I've been up there maybe 1 or 2 times in the city. I only go up to the airport up there, so. I got you. All right.
Our son just died on the 27th. We just found out.
What's your name?
Gerson Lewis.
Okay. Hey, Marcus, I'm right in front of Publix. St. John's, go ahead. From the RO for me, please. Garrison Lewis. All right, give me 1 second. All right, Garrison. All right. So your driver's license is suspended. All right.
Suspended for what?
A failure to appear for a traffic fine.
No, we were in a car accident. And they supposed to reschedule that.
Okay. Well, they put a suspension on his driver's license. Okay. So he cannot drive. All right. Do you have a driver's license?
I don't got nothing on me, but I'll do that.
Do you have? No. Excuse me. Okay. All right. So here's the deal. Are you going to work with me, or are you just going to shut down?
We already have enough time. Our son died on the 27th.
Garrison, I'm asking you, are you going to work with me, or are we going to have an issue?
Why do we work with you?
Okay. If you're cooperative with me, I don't have to take you to jail. If you're going to start being...
What are you
being cooperative with him. Just talk to him.
Talk to him? Oh, you want me to get out and talk to you?
No, I just want to talk to you. All right. Do you have anyone who can come and get the car that has a valid driver's license?
We don't have nobody to drive our car. We are homeless.
Okay, well, this car can't be driven by you. Okay? You understand that?
By him, yes. He can be driven by him.
Okay.
You understand? He won't be driving.
Let me go by
Do you have a valid driver's license,
I don't
ma'am?
have to answer no question because I wasn't driving, so I don't have to answer the question.
She cannot answer the question.
So what? Okay, Garrison, what are we gonna do?
I'm a part.
You're gonna park the car, and that car's not gonna move.
Dispatch confirmed Garrison's license was suspended for failure to appear on a prior traffic fine under Florida statute section 322.34. Driving while suspended is a second-degree misdemeanor up to 60 days in jail. Rather than immediately arresting Garrison, the officer offered a cooperation path, a sound de-escalation technique. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, officers have full authority to order vehicle occupants out. The couple revealed they were homeless with no one to retrieve the vehicle. The officer asked the passenger for her license under Florida statute section 322.15. She refused, stating she was not the driver. Under Maryland versus Wilson, the 1997 Supreme Court ruling extending Pennsylvania versus Mimms officers may order passengers out. Her refusal constituted a violation under Florida statute section 843.02. The passenger refused to exit, but her resistance was not defiance. It was grief. She cried repeatedly that she had lost her son. Officers escalated their commands, which increased her distress rather than resolving it. The passenger stated she wanted to die, a clear expression of suicidal ideation. Florida's crisis intervention team protocols require officers to shift to empathetic engagement at this threshold. Not continued escalation. Officers physically extracted the non-compliant passenger. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged by objective reasonableness. However, her prior suicidal disclosure called for a meaningfully different tactical approach.
I'm gonna drive the car.
Somebody drive it. That's it.
Does she have a valid driver's
Somebody
license?
drive it. Somebody drive it.
Okay. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Don't put no, baby.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Hey, you trying to take you to jail?
I'm not getting out.
Look,
I'm not getting out.
you understand my husband?
I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I'm
Just
not
lost
getting
our
out.
son.
I'm not
Try to
getting
shut it
out.
off.
But this is what I'm saying.
I'm not
He just
getting
lost
out.
his son.
I'm not getting out. My son. I lost my son. I lost my son. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I'm not
Hey,
getting out.
no.
I'm not
they
getting
gonna
out.
hurt you.
I'm not getting out. He
said
can kill
he
me.
gonna park
He
the
can
car.
kill me. He can kill me.
I'm not gonna kill you.
He can kill me. I'm not getting out. I lost my son.
Please,
I lost my
take
son
my
and I'm doing like this. I'm not getting out.
He is going to
I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I won't die.
He said he
I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out.
Hey, take the arm, they're gonna break your
I'm not
arm.
getting out.
Hey,
I'm not getting out.
hey, they're gonna break your arm.
Get out of the car.
I'm not
Get
getting
out
out.
of the car.
I'm not getting out.
No, they don't want to take you to jail.
I'm not getting out.
He don't want to take you to jail.
I'm not going.
He don't want to take you. Stop.
I'm not going to jail.
He don't want to take you to jail.
My son is dying. My son is dying.
He just lost his son on the 27th.
get out of the car.
Get out of the car now.
Just kill me. I want to die.
He want to die because he just lost his son. Y'all don't understand that?
Kill me.
We didn't even know he was dead until yesterday. Hey, don't pull out him. Let
I'm
me
not
talk it
getting
out.
out.
Get out of the fucking car.
Hey, get out.
You're about to get tased.
Hey, he finna take you.
You're about to
No.
get tased. Get
Hey,
out of
get out
the
of the car.
car.
Please get out of the car.
Get out
Get out of the car right
now.
now.
Just get out of the car. Luke.
Now.
Get out.
Luke, get out of the car.
Don't touch me. I get out. Don't touch me.
Unloose
Now.
Unloose
Leave
it
me
now.
alone.
Get out of the car
I'm gonna
now.
get out.
Okay, get out.
Leave me. Let me. I'm gonna get out. Let me. I'm gonna get out. I tell you, I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, he gonna get out.
I tell you, I'm gonna get out. Left my head.
Get out of the fucking
I'm
car.
gonna get out. I said I'm gonna get out.
Get out of the fucking
I'm
car
gonna get
now.
out.
His arm is
Just
stuck in
leave
the
you
steering
about to
wheel.
get my hand. I'm gonna get
You're about
out.
to get fucking tased. Get out of the car.
He said he get out.
I'm gonna get out. Let me get out slowly. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. Okay, I'm gonna get out.
Get out of the car now.
I
I will
said I'm
take
gonna
you. Get out of the car.
I said I'm gonna get out. Just let my hand.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back now.
Back up. Stay in the car. You stay in the car.
Josh, help me out with the link. Close that up for me.
Y'all wrong as fucking here.
I got one. Two.
Y'all wrong.
Watch her. Watch her.
You can go with him. You know what I'm saying? Shut the fuck up.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me?
No, he said I hate this.
Get in the car.
1054.
Get in the car right now. Put your foot in the car and get in. Get in the car, dude. Hey, Marcus, sure, we're gonna have an issue with her. We're gonna have an issue with her. I know it.
I'm getting out the car. Don't you put your fucking hands on me. Don't put your fucking hands on me. Don't put your fucking hands on me. Get all my shit out of here. Don't put your fucking hands on me. Don't put your fucking hands on me.
Stand me on offense on the screen.
What? What is that? What? You can go. You can go too. If you want me to search for
Don't put your hands on me. I know my rights. Don't put your hands on me.
You're not going to fucking threaten us. That's what you're not going to do.
You get out your breath stain.
So get your gun.
Walk away.
Get your gun and find out what fucking happened.
Your breath stain.
Get your gun and find out what fucking happened.
Your breath stain.
Okay, you heard what the fuck I said.
Your breath stain.
You heard what the fuck I said.
You heard the fuck I said.
You heard what the fuck I said.
Get your breath out my face.
Go get your fucking gun and see what
Get your
happens.
breath out my
Go
face.
get your gun and see what fucking happens.
Breath out my face.
You're not gonna fucking
Go brush
threaten
your
us,
fucking teeth.
stupid ass.
Garrison was removed and handcuffed under Florida Statute Section 901.15. Warrantless. Arrest is lawful for misdemeanors committed in an officer's presence. Both Section 322.34 and Section 843.02 were fully satisfied. The passenger exited and directed threatening, profane language at officers. Under the First Amendment and Hill versus City of Houston, offensive speech toward police is generally protected absent a true threat. Officers allowed her to leave. The defendant pled no contest to driving while license suspended and resisting without violence. On March 26, 2024, he was sentenced to 60 days in county jail, a legally appropriate outcome for both misdemeanor charges. The officer receives a B. The stop was lawful, communication was patient, and the de-escalation offer to Garrison was sound. However, failing to apply crisis intervention, team protocols after suicidal ideation is a significant shortcoming. The driver receives a C+. He violated Florida Statute Section 322.34 by driving on a suspended license. His eventual cooperation and no contest plea were appropriate, though initial resistance cost him points. The female passenger receives a C-. Her grief was real and undeniable. However, her refusal of lawful orders under Maryland versus Wilson and threatening language toward officers created dangerous conditions. This encounter teaches 3 critical lessons. Officers must recognize mental health crisis indicators early. Crisis intervention team training reduces liability and harm. And de-escalation is a legal and tactical obligation, not a courtesy. Let us know which interactions or legal topics you want covered in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more legal analysis. We will see you in the next one.